Hello, welcome to my video. So today I'm gonna try out Deepin. So let's start this with this. Okay, so it's just gonna be me installing Deepin and getting the whole system set up. So yeah, it's gonna be more of a chill video compared to my other videos. I mean, I was just making guides, so it's not like anything different. But so yeah, I'm just gonna try out Deepin for the very first time. It's gonna be in a VM, but whatever. So, okay, we're just getting a black screen now. Okay. Oh, the boot animation is kind of fancy. Not gonna lie. I do not think I would daily drive Deepin in any situation, since I do kind of like the Deepin desktop, but the integration with other apps is just kind of wonky. I mean, we're gonna check those out. It's an interesting distro, not gonna lie. Okay. Oh, of course it's gonna try. It's gonna be default in Chinese or something like that. Just gonna select English. Can we skip the agreement? Oh, okay, that's cool. Since we're just gonna do a basic setup, we're just gonna use this. Oh god, 64 gets. I'm just gonna give it a little bit more space and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So I give it a little bit more space. So let's continue. Wait, did this setup change it a little bit? I guess I selected try Deepin now instead of what I did before, so I'm just gonna select Sophia here. Okay. Oh, I did select try Deepin now instead of install it. Yeah, that's why it's different now. Okay. Well, I guess I can change the resolution now, so I guess that's a plus. Yeah, it's just loading the live environment of Deepin. I was just gonna install it. Well, okay. I can live with that, I guess. Okay, we got the desktop, and okay, I'm just not gonna do anything here. Can we just install it? Okay, yeah, there it is. Yeah, that's more ideal. Oh, it just opens up another menu. Okay, cool. Let's continue. I'm just gonna check out the custom options. What do we get? Format to disk, confirm. If we do that, will it go? Oh, okay. So we could select system and data space. Okay, interesting. If we say confirm, so it uses ext4 as home and for root. Interesting choices. Can we edit these? Yeah, we got all the options, so you could configure it as you like. And okay, this is a little bit more. Oh, you could create an LVM as well. Okay, format this. So there are options here. Interesting. Okay, cool. So I'm just gonna do a full disk install. That's gonna be a lot more easier. Data space and system says okay, it automatically does that. You can configure it as well. We're not gonna use LVM. Okay, click install. Can it initial backup? We don't need that. Okay, it starts to install. Okay, cool. So we got the new kernel. I mean, obviously, it's just running Debian as a base, so it is going to automatically have the latest kernel from the Debian. It's not going to be the latest, as in, it's not going to use the latest kernel since you get the idea what I'm saying. I couldn't talk. Yeah, the desktop environment has changes. That's interesting. Flow design? I guess that makes more sense than Chinese or something. Grand search. Oh, it's like in the Unity, I think, but I do think it's just only for Deepin apps, so that's kind of sad. But I'm just assuming right now. This is my first impressions. I don't remember when that I tried Deepin before. It was a really long time. I did install it hardware. It was not the prettiest, but I was using an NVIDIA card, so multi-screen. What is that? Multi-screen calibration. I want to see that. Multi-screen come on, wait, what is that? Oh, okay. You can just transfer files from your phone to your computer. That's what it says. Okay, what else? There was something else here too. Yeah, there is a community. Okay, fine. It's gonna be all Chinese though. So yeah. What else do we got? Born better compatibility and security. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna let this sit, and I will be back when it finishes because I'm not gonna sit until this finishes. Okay, it's successfully installed. Let's reboot. I actually right now realized that I could have just fixed the resolution since that did not give me any time to choose. It just, I guess it was like a 1 second grub menu. Well, that was quick, but whatever. I just forgot to just change the resolution of the VM since I just boot up into the live environment. But I guess that didn't really matter. I'm curious if the scaling works properly in Deepin, especially its desktop. I'm only curious about the desktop. I do kind of have curiosities about the operating system as a whole, but I'm mostly curious about the desktop environment. So, okay, give me the logo. Okay, oh, that's cute. That's really cute. What else do we got? Okay, interesting. Really interesting. Actually, I'm just gonna leave it as it is. Wait, is there a penguin? I'm just gonna pick the penguin. Yeah, that's better. Let's just give it a name. Okay, that's a good name. Give it an insanely. Oh, it is expects. Okay, it works, right? Yeah, okay, it does let me use an insanely simple password. I like that. I would never do that in my main system, or will I? I don't know what. I do kind of like that. It's just letting me do it. It also tells me that it's weak, so that's fair. That's really fair in my opinion. Some distros just force you to get a complicated password. It's like they're forcing you to forget it and then just not being able to log into your system. I mean, it's worse than getting hacked. I don't think that is. I guess it depends. It depends on the situation. Okay, I'm just gonna wait it out what this says. Well. Okay, we're in the log screen. It's kind of cute. I like it. So let's get our password entered. Okay, that's supposed to spin, right? Yeah, that's not spinning. Okay, it's fine. And I realized that the mouse cursor just changed 2 times. Like there's one, the GNOME's desktop's mouse cursor and this Deepin's cursors just switch between those two. That was interesting. Let's see a video right now since we installed it. Okay, I'm getting that video off. It just has so much music. Okay, we got this little AI icon. I'm just straight up going for the AI part. It doesn't work. Okay, let's just fix the resolution. I'm curious if the scaling is gonna work properly. Okay, there's scaling options. So let's say 19 by 2080. Okay, save. And how's the scaling going to work? Okay, it wants us to sign out. Is it gonna apply for the lock screen as well? Oh, it does. Okay, that did not happen in KD. That's really interesting. I was not expecting that. I kind of like that. Is it scaled? It doesn't look like it. Okay, it is. But it's kind of wonky, I think. It does heavily, I guess, inspired from Windows. Really heavily. Do we have HTOP by default? No, we don't. I mean, why would I even think that they installed it by default? So, okay, let's start It looks cute. I honestly have to say it looks really cute. I'm just gonna check out the general applications. So we got. It really reminds me of Windows though. Why none of these? Okay, so this log the off. Okay, that works. For some reason, most of them doesn't work. Okay, wired no. Oh, now it launches. Oh, look at this. This is interesting. So we could change the AI if you like. So I'm just gonna give it like, hello. Can you speak now? Can you do Okay, let's see. Oh, you need the account to be configured. Okay, let's see. Can we do that now? Oh, you have to have an API key. What's the point of that? And if you need an API key, that's dumb. Okay, well, fine. We're not gonna have AI. That was the AI, I guess. That's it. That's kind of sad. Okay, fine. We got. Oh, this really is heavily inspired by Windows. That's exactly like how it's in Windows. Well, not exactly, but it's really similar. You can switch between dark theme and light. It does have an auto switcher. I kind of dig that. Oh my god! Even the little settings icon. Oh, it's so similar. Okay, even this looks similar. I'm gonna choose the light theme now. I guess that will play better. That looks better, I guess. We got Bloom, Vintage. Oh, Vintage. Vintage has some flair to it. It's weird. Oh my god, the cursor changes. It's really interesting. Okay. Hazy color. Flow. Interesting. Okay, that looks like 3D. And Macron. Okay, the default looks the best, I think. I don't know. Oh, we can change them individually. That's nice. Can I get... Yeah, I just want the Vitek mouse cursor. This looks a bit goofy. Okay, that looks better, I think. Okay. So it does have an account option. You can sign into it. Did I had that when I was first trying Deepin? I don't think that was present in the settings app at least, but that's interesting. Okay, the general settings. Although I do have the thing that the scaling is working, but you can only go 125 as max scaling. That's kind of weird that there's no other option. But overall, at least for Deepin apps, the scaling seems to be working fine. So I'm happy about that. A lot of desktops don't even figure that out correctly, like XFC and stuff. But I don't think anybody's going to use XFC and have a really high resolution desktop around. I mean, a monitor. Okay, that's cute. That's never changed. That's been a long time, so. Okay. Oh, it's interesting. You have the updates in the settings app instead of the store. I mean, it's really similar to Windows, not gonna lie. I don't want to check its updates. Can I just get rid of it? We're gonna use the store though, so it's not disconnect from the internet yet. Okay, interesting. And general settings. Oh, we can configure the bootloader. That's cool. We can just get rid of the theming and stuff like that. Of course, it's gonna require confirmation. Oh, interesting. Start setting up a new boot animation. Please wait for a minute. Okay, interesting. You can change these as well on the fly. Well, not on the fly, but it's really easy to change them. I kind of like that. Not gonna lie, it's easy. I mean, calculator. You already know what that is. Oh, you even have the force quit option. That's exactly what you have in Windows when you have the development tools or there's things enabled. That's really interesting. I was not expecting that. I mean, a lot of things are just so insanely similar. Like, I mean, this is really a carbon copy of Windows. Why though? Like, these Deepin apps looks like new UI apps from Windows. I don't know. Okay, now change that. I mean, you want me to reboot to see the boot animation. I mean, what else do I have to do to see it? It's a weird statement. I don't know. Let's see the system monitor. Okay. It's kind of sluggish though. But I guess it's because I'm using it in a VM. But I do think it's using a little bit more resources than I expected. So that's, I guess, why it's happening like that. So multitasking view. Oh. This is also really similar to Windows. I mean, right now I'm not even surprised. They're just, the apps have like this huge buttons on them. It's kind of weird, honestly. Oh, we have a sample video, that introduction video. We have that as a sample. Okay, cool. Let's try to install something from the store. I mean, that's all we got to do here. I mean, what else do we have installed anyways? We got, what is that? Wait, what is that? Oh, we have a full game installed. Oh my god. Interesting. Oh, they did say in the, like, they had the ID for start coding or something, so that's also present here, I guess. Oh yeah, there it is. You don't have to inform me about that, I think. Okay, it's really struggling. I'm just gonna install VLC because that's the most basic app that I can think of installing. Oh, and look at that. This is from Deepin apps. So I guess it has like the special, I forgot what it was, but it had like something similar to Flatpaks. So I guess that's what it's going to use here. Oh, it's waiting. I guess it will install eventually. And then text editor. What browser that we are using? After I look at the browser, I'm just planning to just install stuff on it, and I will be back after that. Okay, what? The browser could load though. I guess it was the same when I looked at it too. It's just a Chromium clone. Yeah, with more of a Deepin theme happening. Okay, that's bugged out. Why is this bugging out? That's a really weird visual glitch. Oh, and it has like Deepin account syncing. Okay, interesting. I'm just gonna install stuff and I'll be back. So I actually installed a couple of software. I installed VLC. I mean, you saw it as well. It's just in from their store. I mean, the theming seems like it's playing somewhat well with the VLC application. It's a Qt app, so I guess since Deepin is whole desktop environment is set up in Qt, so I guess that's kind of plays well. I'm curious, does the dark theme work here? Also, you could just easily resize this menu. Like, look at this. I did not know that. So that's cool. Let's see. Oh yeah, it also switches to dark theme as well. It's definitely usable. I mean, it doesn't look really far apart from the Deepin apps, and I mean, it's good. And let's see, I also got GIMP here installed, and Firefox, and I did also install some terminal applications. Okay, rounded corners, that's interesting. That's the first time that I ever seen that happening Oh, okay. I guess the scaling is not perfect, but definitely usable. Okay, it looks nice. All the animations are, of course, applied here too. I mean, it's not like the newest GTK application, but it looks half decent. Let's see OBS, how it does play with this whole setup. Okay. I mean, it looks nice. It totally works. Yeah. Let's actually select the system. I'm curious. Okay, it does default to the default Qt theme. That's interesting. But yeah, apps do work. They don't really look that apart from the system. At least the dark theme and the light theme. Okay, ooh, cool switching. Oh, okay, there it is. Just another GTK application was just pre-installed. I did not even realize. Oh my god, with the rounded corners, it's really interesting. Okay. Yeah, I mean, these are the GTK apps, and okay, they don't have that much rounded corner styling, but I mean, for if you're just gonna have a good scaling desktop environment, I think this is it. It's insanely basic, though. I do not really love the fact that it just has bare bones setup this much, but it still kind of works. It scales apps kind of correctly, and I do know that it was using X11, so that's kind of impressive given the fact that it's using X11. So if you're using an NVIDIA driver, I think you could use Deepin as desktop environment as your daily driving system. I'm not sure if you use the distro itself, because I mean the AI feature is not functional, a bunch of other parts is not functional, but the desktop environment, I do think the parts about it's kind of promising. It does have good similar design philosophy going on, although I do think they do change a lot of stuff from the desktop environment really quickly, so it does not look that consistent. Like the previous version was looking like macOS, this looks like Windows 11, so it's kind of a little bit out there, but whatever. If you're fine with that, I guess this kind of suits you. Okay, let's see how it partitions this. So 300 gigs, okay, 300 megabytes. What is this for? Okay, that's a boot drive. A 4 gig. Okay, this much RAM that I give it, so I guess it supports hibernation, does it? Let's see. No, it doesn't. It could support hibernation since that's kind of a similar size. 15 gig system, and interesting. It's a really weird way of doing it. I'm just gonna show it in LSBLK too. So that's how it looks. Interesting, weird way to do this. And let's try a NeoFetch. I installed this too, so there it is. Okay. Oh, a lot of packages are pre-installed though. Wow, that's a lot. Yeah, and it's also using Kvin, so it's based on KDE and Qt framework has been used. So yeah, let's see how much resources it's using. I mean, this is not fair. I'm running a lot of apps. If I just close them up. Okay. Will that make a difference? Yeah, about like a 1 gig, I think. It did not update that. I don't think it's using 2 gigs. Yeah. It's okay though. It does not. I mean, even in a VM, it does not really insanely stutter. It seems stable enough, in my opinion. I'm just gonna look at the wallpapers now. I don't know why did I set that to the last thing that I'm gonna do. Where can I see the wallpapers? You could change the minimalization of it, I think. Oh yeah, that looks way better. Look at that. I think that's left from back in the time when they actually was when they were mimicking macOS instead of Windows. So that was a little history there, right there. I can't speak. Okay, you can organize desktop. What that does? Okay, that does not. Oh, it just does this. I guess. Like, okay, I don't get it. Is that just gonna open up a web browser? Oh, I forgot to open Firefox. Let me see. Where is it at? Where's Firefox? Oh, it does have its own guide. That's cool. Oh, it explains everything. Yeah, that's cool. I like that. Oh, look at Firefox. I mean, totally not the best theming way of like what the weird. It kind of looks weird, but I think it's half decently themed. Not gonna lie. It totally works. And if I were to switch themes, wow, struggling. Yeah, it switches as well. So it's kind of the design language of the apps are really different, but the theme does get followed along, so that's nice. But for the life of me, I can't find the stinking wallpaper selection. Where did they put the wallpaper selection? That shouldn't be difficult. I should just easily... Is it really here? No? Like, I could see other wallpapers here present. But I can't interact with them. Why? Why? Yeah, that's weird. Maybe it's an obvious place. I can't see it. ID personalization. It says desktop, so that should be right here, right? It's not. You can change the theme and stuff, but where's the wallpaper here? Maybe you select custom? I'm already in the custom theme since I changed stuff. You click on desktop, nothing. That's really strange. View options. Arrange icon. Okay, that's really weird. Oh, here's the global search though. Okay, this looks handy though. Okay, I like it. This really reminds me of that Power Toys version of that we had in Windows. It does look like the one in macOS too, but I do really feel like it's from Windows. Everything feels like it's from Windows. Interesting. When did I... Oh, I did copy this, but... What are these? Caven? Oh, does it copy everything that I select? That's what's happening? I don't remember select any of these, so if I do that... Like, I didn't select copy. Will it copy that? Yeah, it does. That's really interesting. I did not know that. Anything you select gets copied. Weird. Weird. That's a really weird behavior. But I can't find the desktop wallpaper changer. That's really interestingly difficult to find, I think. Or I'm just not looking at the right place. I'm not sure. Maybe I'm the stupid person here, but I don't know. Yeah. Everything looks sweet though. I like it. Okay. So I think I should just conclude the video. I think it went way longer than I anticipated. So yeah, bye.